teach you how to calculate the oxidation number of an element in a minute. It says, calculate the oxidation number of chromium. We are looking for the oxidation number of chromium in Cr2O72 minus. The chemical symbol for chromium is Cr. Then what are you going to do? You are going to add all the atoms that are present here together. Then how many atoms of chromium do we have? We have 2. That will be 2 times chromium will give us 2 Cr. Then plus, how many atoms of oxygen do we have? We have 7 atoms of oxygen. That will be 7 oxygen. Then it will be equal to the charge on it, equal to -2. Now you are going to assign charge with oxygen. Chromium is unknown, so assign charge with oxygen. What is the charge on oxygen? Then we should not forget that oxygen is the number 8 in the periodic table. The shell electronic configuration of oxygen is 2,6. Then the second shell is deficient of 2 electrons, because the second shell is supposed to carry the maximum number of 8 electrons. So it needs 2 more electrons to become stable. So therefore, the charge on oxygen will be 2 minus. Now let's simplify. So we have 2 Cr. So this -2 multiplied by +7 will give us -14. So we need only the number of charge. -2 times +7 will give us -14, then equal to what? Equal to -2. Now, 2Cr will be equal to -2. Bring this -14 to this side will give us +14. Then 2Cr will be equal to -2 plus 14 will give us +12. Then to get the oxidation number of chromium, so we are going to divide both sides by what? By 2. So 2 divides 2. Chromium will be equal to what? +12 divided by 2 will give us +6. So the oxidation number of chromium is what? Is +6.